In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page on Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a personal project, updating your business page, or simply reorganizing your content, knowing how to disable a page can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Squarespace. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Squarespace. Once you arrive at the home page, you'll want to log into your account. Use your credentials to gain access to your dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. After logging in successfully, you'll see a Get Started button. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to the main interface where you can manage your website details. It's designed to be intuitive, so you should have no problem finding your way around, even if it's your first time. Next, you'll want to select Website and then Page from the menu. This part of the dashboard is essentially the hub for all the pages you've created on your site. It's where you can add, edit, and now hide pages according to your needs. It's a good idea to take a mental note of all the pages listed here, because you're going to come back to this section often, especially if you regularly update your site. Now, find the specific page you want to hide. It might involve scrolling through your list of pages, but once you find it, hover your mouse over that page. You'll see a gear icon appear, indicating that there are settings you can adjust for this page. Click on that gear icon, which will open the Page Settings menu. In the Page Settings, you're going to find a toggle labeled Enable Page. By default, this toggle is switched on, which means the page is currently live and visible to the public. To hide the page, simply switch this toggle off. A quick pro tip here: disabling a page doesn't delete any of the content or settings within it. Everything is saved exactly as it is, allowing you to re-enable the page at any time without losing any information. After you've toggled it off, don't forget to click the Save button to finalize the changes. This is an easy step to overlook, but hitting Save ensures that your page is hidden. And there you have it, a successfully hidden Squarespace page. Feel free to repeat this process for any other pages you want to keep out of public view for the time being. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Have a great day working on your